Hi everyone, my name is Jocelyn and I'm going to be doing problem 15 in chapter 15. So the first part of the problem says make a scatter plot for this data, and this is the output jump gives. The next part of the problem says, do you think a linear model is appropriate? Explain. And so in order to say a linear plot or model is appropriate, the plot has to be a straight line, and this is a straight line. There's this point over here that curves it a little at the end, but in general I would say this is a straight line because there's no obvious curve in the scatter plot of y versus x. The next part says find the equation of the regression line. So the equation would be browsing time, and this is the hat symbol on top, equals 750.02 minus 11.503 times the age of the respondent. And where you get this is in the output under intercept, and so the intercept goes first, and then and then the age, and so the age is right here, and then you multiply it by the respondent, or like the age variable. Part D says check the residual to see if the conditions for inference are met. And so here's the output that jump gives for the regression plot. And so the first condition is the independence condition. And it says that the errors in the true underlying regression model must be independent of each other. And so there's no reason to suggest that the error in modeling the browsing time for one person would be influenced by another person. So that condition is met. Next is the equal spread assumption, which is that the variability of y should be about the same of all values of x. And the plot of residuals against the predicted value shows no obvious patterns. The spread is about the same for all predicted values, and the scatter seems random. So that condition is met, or assumption. And then there's the normal population assumption, which says we must assume the errors around the idealized regression line at each value of x follow a normal model. So after going into the distribution model in JUMP, you can, using the studentized residuals browsing times, the p-value you get for the goodness of fit test is 0.988, and what that means is that you assume it's a normal population because you don't reject the null. So yeah, all of those assumptions and conditions are met, and that's the problem. Thank you.